Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel KN Academy. So in this video, I am going to discuss about the very important hiring opportunities, guys. First of all, what you have to do, you have to like this video because whatever the hirings I am going to discuss about in this video, that will be very important for the freshers perspective. Okay, so clearly you can see coding vlogs conducting their direct hiring where multiple companies are participating and you have to attend the test. That will be direct test hiring opportunity. Okay, now I will talk about the next hiring which is from the Innovator and this one Tower Research Capital and next hiring from the Infosys and Edgeworth company. Okay, these are the some important hiring opportunity I am going to discuss about. Let's talk about the coding blocks hiring opportunity. So this is, you can see, this is for freshers level online hiring drive at coding blocks. Okay, that will be conducted on coding blocks office itself. Okay, why I am posting this one, because only one day left for this hiring opportunity. It will be it will conduct it 7th of June 2025 only. Clearly you can see, and it will start from the 12 p.m. onwards. What is the job role? As an associate software engineer they are hiring, and this is especially for Java developers. And what is the package they are providing? They are providing 8.4 lakhs package and work with cutting edge gaming technology. Immediate joining and the right candidates they are preferring, right? This is the main criteria. And when you coding blocks and location also they have provided. What you have to do, you have to apply here. If you click on the apply button, now I will tell you how to apply. Okay, how to apply? You can sign up over here. First of all, you can clearly see upcoming hackathon. This is direct hiring, your code, your career, your commitment. Okay, that will conduct on 7 2. So you have to participate in this hackathon. In this hackathon you can get the chance. Okay, you can get the chance for internship and full-time opportunity, full-time placement. Now if you see, like, multiple companies will participate over here. Clearly you can see this is company WTS company, this is also participating. Okay, hiring drive at coding blocks Cohort Enclave, this is the exact location. WTS as a software analyst specialist Java they are hiring, software engineer, associate engineer. If you are like preparing for the internship, if you are looking for the internship also they are ongoing hard. Negero also, coding blocks also. So multiple companies are participated. What you have to do, if you want to apply in this one, you have to go to details. Then you can simply fill the application form. Criteria you can check, this is full-time opportunity, location Gurgaon. BTech students can apply. 24 and 25 graduate package. 8.4 they are providing. About the company you can see. Okay, and you can fill the application form directly. You can see the details, and it will start on 7 June only. So all the direct hiring drive will start in 7 June only. So at the coding blocks campus only. Okay, so basically you have to choose the company and you can directly register there. But ongoing, this is the ongoing hackathon that you have to do. Okay, current openings also you can see. So first of all you have to do the registration. So already 2000 20,000 students already registered for this hiring opportunity. If you want to participate, if you are from the Delhi based or want to go there in the Kuwait enclave location, then you can fill the application form and any of the company details. Okay, so you have to apply in this one. Now talking about the second hiring which is from the Innovator again hiring started for intern AI. This is especially for artificial intelligence. If you want to go in this particular field, then you are eligible to apply. This is for Noida location. Who can apply? Strong hands-on experience in Python, understanding of LLM, agentic frameworks, and SQL knowledge, NLP libraries knowledge. You have Python and Python frameworks knowledge. If you have not, then you are eligible to apply. Okay, as an intern they are hiring. So currently pursuing a degree, that is students can apply. Completed also, if you are completed a degree, then you can also apply. You can apply in this one. Innovator latest hiring. Next hiring from the Tower Research Capital. Tower Research Capital currently hiring for software engineer, and this is also one of the biggest hiring because package they are providing and facility that company Tower Research Capital company provides very premium facilities to the employees. Like, so what is the requirement? Bachelor's degree you should have in computer science, top colleges, 0 to 3 years of experience, good problem solving skills, total technical skills you should have for this hiring opportunity. Next, we have opportunity from the partner company. They are hiring for junior business analyst and 5 to 6 lakh they are providing, and this is for Hyderabad location. Okay. Next, hiring from the Mindtex, and they are hiring for software development engineer one, and this is especially for .NET. 5 to 6 lakh. These are the direct hiring opportunity. If you want to process the direct hiring in Pune location or Hyderabad location, you can try in this one. Guys, if you are looking for job, company specific. So if you have not registered, this is like a naukri.com also. If you are not getting shortlisted, not getting the interview call na, you can register over here and the found it. There you can find a different company. Like here, if you search for the company level, if you search with the job specific also, suppose if you are fresh or so searching for the sales job, okay, right? So different sales opportunity you will get. If you are searching for the engineer job, right, software engineer, associate engineer, anything, any field, testing, software development, any field, so you can search and you can select the criteria like fresher or experience. Okay, so you can see this one and you can apply in this hiring opportunity. Found it, you can search and you can register over here. It is same as the naukri.com. Now next hiring opportunity from the Edge Verve Infosys company. This is also direct hiring, and this is also like currently if you see, if you joined our telegram group, so students are getting the response from the Edge Verve. Edge Verve is a great company and generally the hires, but this is technical based hiring opportunity. If you have relevant skills in Node.js, then you can apply. SQL knowledge, this is especially for backend. Okay, what is the exact job role they are providing? Product technical analyst, right? If you are looking for product analyst or product technical analyst, and you are eligible, this is for Bangalore location. So as your company, you can also apply in this hiring opportunity. Okay, so these are the some important hiring that I have discussed about in this video, and you can definitely apply. And I hope you like this video. Thank you guys, thanks for watching.